Officials warned residents and tourists packing Mediterranean destinations on Tuesday to stay indoors during the hottest hours as the second heat wave in as many weeks hits the region, and Greece, Spain, and Switzerland battled wildfires. In Italy, civil protection workers monitored crowds for people in distress from the heat in central Rome, while Red Cross teams in Portugal took to social media to warn people not to leave pets or children in parked cars. In Greece, volunteers handed out drinking water, and in Spain, they reminded people to protect themselves from breathing in smoke from fires. Heat waves are really an invisible killer. Panis Aristo, the emergency health team leader for the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, said during a Geneva briefing.